And then, of course, let's go into to crypto, like you mentioned.
So with crypto, that's the deal. Crypto is going to go how the stock market go. If the stock market is crashing, like back in the day, stock it was a hedge on the regular stock market. Okay, we don't want regular finance. Then you got cryptocurrency. So it basically went opposite of each other.
Mhm.
Now, the closer you get towards more regulations, the more institutionalized you get, the more regulated. So now it kind of go hand to hand. So if the stock market is doing bad, cryptocurrency is going to do bad. One is not going to do better than the other. And
Mhm.
you look at the beginning of this year, stocks had the best January we have had in probably like 5 years.
Wow.
So in cryptocurrency, that was the best January we had since 2013.
Mm.
Crypto Bitcoin went up 39%, almost 40%. And 40% is unheard of in a year.
Yeah.
40% is, the average is 8, 10, 12 if you're good. 40% in a month is just completely insane. So you had that good rally. And the question is, people was trying to figure out, did we already hit the bottom? Because stocks and everything is slowly keep going up, but
Right.
we're hearing so much FUD, fear,
Mm.
uncertainty, and doubt. We're hearing a lot of things that's just negative, and you gotta be careful with it. So my thing with crypto is the exact same thing I said with the stock market. Is going to mirror the same thing because they're going hand to hand. It is, you have to choose your three biggest safe ones. You got the Bitcoin, you got the Ethereum, and you got other. Whatever your other is, mine this year is Polygon Matic. Polygon Matic, I like that the most for 2023 because no matter what the market is doing, real companies is finally starting to use them and implement it into their daily life. And that's the first crypto that is really going mainstream where companies like, okay, Google, hey, we need this processing to be faster. We're using Matic. So then Starbucks was like, okay, y'all using it, let's use it. So real companies that we use every day is finally starting to implement crypto. So that's the best one because no matter how bad the market do, if you're implementing certain things right, that's one crypto that can just go up outside of what the market is doing.
Mm.